brand new box of Anastasia. Lots of new goodies for the brows. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel. Basically things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. If you're interested in this type of content and you're not a raised subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, I just got this in from one of my favorite brands, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Lots of cool stuff for the brows, and I'm gonna let you explore it with me today. Well, if you've been following my videos, you know my favorite brow products are Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think it's Anastasia Beverly Hills. Anastasia Soiree, the founder of the company, is one of the top brow specialists in Hollywood, Beverly Hills. And she's had this brand for a while, expanded to all kinds of makeup. But anyway, over the holiday weekend, she had a big online sale. I ordered a bunch of stuff. A lot of it was just replenishing things that I already have, a few new products. And today, I'm gonna share what I got and demonstrate a couple of them for you. This looked kind of interesting to me. This came with, this was like a 2-pack that came with a little carrying case. This is the eye primer and the Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. Let's try this eye primer. I've already put on my shadow today. I think I have used this before and I really liked it. I had a sample size, so I'm glad to get some more. And this is I've never used this, Brow Styling Wax. And the styling wax, I believe, is like for after you've already put on your brow products to sort of hold everything in place. And this is the little container with the wax. Then I also got another container of Dip Brow Pomade, which is something that I love and was running low on. And I got something else I'm trying for the first time, the Brow Powder Duo. This is what this looks like. It's in the shade Taupe, which is what I normally use. And this is like a powder. So I'm going to try that today, as well as this little set, which is the Beginner's Brow Kit. And this includes my very favorite, the Brow Definer, and also the Clear Brow Gel, which I also love and I'm running low on. But the cool thing that I found with this, it includes stencils. And I've never done my brows with a stencil before, but I'm gonna try it for the first time today. Now this comes with, let's see, 5 different stencils. And after looking them over, I found like this one, the High Arch, seems to fit my brows the best. So I'm gonna remove the interior. Again, I'm trying this for the very first time. And I'm gonna take my brow definer. Gonna hold this right here. I don't know, actually I think it works for me better without this, but anyway, because my brows don't seem to fit any of them exactly, but I think it does help, particularly if your brows are really, really fine and you want to define them or whatever, expand that. But I'm going to try this actually on the other eyelid using the pomade. Okay, yeah, this is my pomade, also in Taupe. So I'm going to hold this right here. There we go. And let's try using the pomade. Okay, I don't know whether the stencil really helps, but it is kind of interesting thing to try. So now I'm gonna actually do a little bit of this one. This is the one I've used before, the Clear Brow Gel. I'm gonna use that on this eye where I use the definer. And this I have used before. And then I'm going to try the wax. on the eye where I use the pomade. And I think I'm going to actually dip this in the edge of it. I think basically the wax is just a little bit stiffer than the regular gel, but either one of them will work nicely. I think I am going to try a little bit of this powder. Just kind of curious how it works. It looks really more like an eyeshadow powder or something. It says Brow Powder Duo. So I think I'll use this same little pencil here, this little brush, and just see how it does to fill in. Yeah, what this does is it just kind of fills in, you know, spots between the brows. Sort of gives it an overall fuller look. Well, I think the cool thing about this is I'm going to enjoy experimenting with different combinations. You know, the powder with the definer, the powder with the pomade, the gel, the wax. There's so many different combinations to figure out which one actually works the best. Because, you know, there are days that I spend a lot of time really trying to get a perfect brow, and there are other days that I just want something fast and easy. I think this kit will allow me a lot of different options for either scenario. So that's the video for today. Just a short video about brows, what I've used before and what I'm trying for the first time. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.